Hello, good day and welcome to my channel. Now the question here says solve x over 2 minus 1 over 3 is less than or equal to 2x over 5 plus 1 over 6. Now for us to solve this, a very simple way of simplifying this is to look for the LCM or the common denominator for all these values 2, 3, 5 and 6. Now, their common denominator or the LCM of these values is simply 30. So I want to believe you already know how to find LCM. If you don't know, you can check one of my videos on LCM. So to find the LCM of this, what you need to do is to get multiples of this larger number until you arrive at a value that can divide all of them. And so the multiple of 6 that can divide all of them, the smallest multiple of 6 that can divide all of them is 30. So that means the common denominator is 30. Now that we have that common denominator, we're going to use it to multiply each of these values, each of the term there. So it's going to be 30, which is the LCM, multiplied by the first value here is x over 2, and then minus 30 multiplied by 1 over 3. And that will be less than or equal to 30 multiplied by 2x over 5. And then plus 30 multiplied by 1 over 6. So this is done in order to clear out fraction from the inequality. That is why we are multiplying throughout by the LCM. So 2 here is 1. And 2 here is 15. 3 here is 1. 3 here is 10. 5 here is 1 and 5 here is 6. 6 here is 1 and 6 here is 5. Now we can now take all the values that we have obtained at the side. So 15 multiplied by x will give us 15x. And then 10 multiplied by 1, don't forget the negative sign, that will give us negative 10. And then it's less than 6 multiplied by 2x, we are left with 12x there. And then 5 multiplied by 1 is 5, so we'll say plus 5. Now we can collect like terms. So this positive 12x, let it come to this side. The 15x is still on this side, so I have 15x. This positive 12x, if it crosses to this left-hand side, it becomes negative 12x. And it's less than 5 is already on this side. Positive 5 is already on this side. So this negative 10, once it comes to this right-hand side, it becomes positive 10. So now, 15x minus 12x is going to give us 3x. And that will be less than 5 plus 10 is 15. So we can now divide both sides by 3. Divide by 3. And then you also divide this by 3. And so 3, we cancel 3. So that we are left with x on this side. And then 15 divided by 3 is 5. Don't forget the less than 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So that means the final answer is x is less than 5. So this is the solution to the inequality. So please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified of anytime I create a new video. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.